Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tip Tuesday.
brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. So let me go ahead and ask the question. Joe wrote in and said, how do you stay pretty in your RV?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and talk how you stay pretty. First off, grow a beard. Okay? Because if you grow a beard, you hide all the ugly.
Yeah, boy.
So, just a pro tip, go ahead and grow a beard. Now, how does a technician stay pretty in the RV? I got nothing on that. So, how about this? You want to find out, because we only have so much space, you want to find out your must-haves, okay? And this is where maybe getting a 13-in-1 soap absolutely works. I mean, it's your shampoo, it's your mouthwash, it's your butt scrub, whatever. How do you stay pretty? Well, it doesn't take a lot. Actually, it does, right? Well, if you decide to grow a beard, the only thing I could say is you're going to spend more time straightening it out, getting it all prepped and cared than you did if you were shaving. But beards are in, bald is out, so grow a beard and you've got a wonderful, pretty beard. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the
Skip to the end.
Why are you asking me that weird, strange question? I had nothing. How do you stay pretty in your RV? It's all in one. Oh, I have some butt scrub. Your bum scrub? All right. 2 minutes on what?
Beard care.
All right.